sea wave energy. The sea waters around the world are continually moving. The wind causes ocean waves as it blows across the sea. These waves are powerful sources of energy. They can be used to drive generators. At a wave power station, the waves arriving cause the water in the chamber to rise and fall. Which means that air is forced in and out of the hole at the top of the chamber. The turbine is then placed in the hole and is turned by the rushing in and out of water, which actually turns the generator, which produces electricity.